Maya and Leo, two adventurous siblings, woke up one sunny morning to an unexpected mystery. Their favorite toy, a cuddly blue teddy bear named Mr. Snuggles, was missing. Panic and confusion filled the air as they searched high and low through their messy playroom. "Mr. Snuggles, where are you?" Maya cried, frantically checking under piles of toys and books. Leo, his brow furrowed in concentration, crawled beneath the furniture, hoping to find their missing companion. "I don't see him anywhere, Maya," he said, his voice muffled by a pile of colorful blocks. Their search continued throughout the morning. They checked their closets, drawers, and even climbed on chairs to peek behind shelves, but Mr. Snuggles was nowhere to be found. Tears welled up in Maya's eyes, and Leo felt a deep sense of worry. Just as they were about to give up hope, Maya noticed something strange. A trail of tiny paw prints led out of their playroom and down the hallway. Her eyes lit up with determination. "Follow the paw prints, Leo!" she exclaimed, a newfound hope in her voice. The paw prints led them through the house and out into their backyard. They followed the trail past their toy sandbox, the swing set, and finally, to their surprise, they found themselves standing before their neighbor's dog, Max. Max, a playful golden retriever, was lying on the grass with a familiar blue object clutched in his mouth. It was Mr. Snuggles. Relief washed over the siblings as they ran towards Max, their faces beaming with joy. Max wagged his tail excitedly and dropped the teddy bear at their feet. He then licked Maya and Leo's faces, as if apologizing for his playful mischief. The mystery was solved. Mr. Snuggles had simply gone on an unexpected adventure with their neighbor's dog. They thanked Max and his owner, happy to have their beloved toy back in their arms. From that day on, Maya and Leo learned to be more careful with their belongings. They also discovered the joy of a good mystery and the importance of following clues to find what they were looking for. And most importantly, they learned that even when things seem lost, hope and determination can always lead to a happy ending.